Good morning, it's Pam here at African Homestead, and we have two guests here in the cabin today. And one just went into the shower, so they assured us they had a beautiful stay last night. And Pemba's all grown up. Hey, Pemba. Yeah. So everything's popping here in the homestead. Everything's good. So I asked the guests if they want to be interviewed, but they're shy. But good news, they enjoyed their stay. And we have pumpkin growing on the homestead. I love these pumpkin leaves. Okay, everything's fine. So we have good reviews from our guests. Just a quick update. We had a little shower this morning, so everything is a little perky. Okay. All right. I'm going to go back this way because I think one's in the shower. And they're getting ready to get dressed. We're going to go look at some property, some plots that Omar has found for them.